Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Michael with GeekDisorder, aka Lavic. Alright, so the next video we're just going to cover Chrome and Visual Studio Code and how you can get them and how to install them. So I've already got Chrome installed. That's actually what I'm using to for my browser at the moment. But basically, if you Google Chrome or you go to chrome.com, it will take you to this web page. And you just hit download. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any issues installing it, just hit me up in the comments on this video. Of course, I'm sure they have a help down here at the bottom that they can help you at Google also. All right, and next we have Visual Studio Code. So for that, you can go to code.visualstudio.com. and it will bring you to this web page right here. I'm on Windows, so I'm just going to hit this stable build. I'm pretty sure this changes. I believe on my Mac it said download for Mac, so it'll probably default to the operating system you're using. But if not, just click this little downward arrow and you can pick your installer. I would definitely pick a stable one. So we're just going to go ahead and click that. Alright, we're just going to wait for that download link or download to finish here, and we're going to open that up. All right, and so we're just going to click next, and then if you accept their license agreement, which I do, I'm going to click next. All right, and I'm just going to let it install in its default location. All right, and that looks good to me. So next, and then of course I'm just going to leave these all of their default settings. You can create a desktop icon if you want, but everything looks good there, and then we'll hit install. Alright, and it's a pretty small program, so it doesn't take very long here. Alright, and then we're just going to hit finish and launch. Alright, and this is what it's going to bring you up with. So it's not going to look like this. I actually had it installed before, so that's the reason it opened like that. Let me just go ahead and close this folder. And this is probably what you're going to see when you first launch it. Okay, and so as long as you see this, you're all set. And when we start actually making coding some web pages, we'll go through on how to use this. But it's pretty straightforward, standard text editor / IDE. If you use one, this won't be too hard. Or even if you use like Word or anything like that, this isn't much different. Alright, so, but other than that, if y'all like the video, just please comment, subscribe, and like it, and then I will see y'all in the next one.